magicians Alex and Bill perform a trick with a shuffled deck of cards with jokers removed. Alex asks a member of the audience to select 5 cards at random from the deck. The audience member passes the 5 cards to Alex, who examines them and hands one back to the audience member. Alex then arranges the remaining 4 cards in some special way and places them face down on the table and leaves the stage. After a few minutes, Bill, who has not witnessed these proceedings, then enters the stage, looks at the 4 cards, and determines the missing 5th card, held by the audience member. How is this trick performed? Bear in mind, the only communication between Alex and Bill is through the arrangement of the 4 cards. There is no encoded speech or hand signals, no bent or marked cards, no clue in the orientation of the pile of 4 cards. Here are some useful hints. 1. Since there are exactly 4 different suites in a standard deck of cards, if we select 5 cards at random, then at least 2 cards of this set of 5 must belong to the same suite. This is because if all 5 cards were to belong to a different suite, we would need more than 4 suites. Hint number 2. Using hint number 1, we should have narrowed down the list of contenders for the 5th card down to 12. Here is further hint which will help us in correctly identifying the missing card. When you arrange 13 numbers in a circle, the smallest path between any 2 numbers is not more than 6 positions long. Take a moment to try and figure out the solution. You may pause the video if needed. Alright, here is how the trick can be performed. Since there are at least 2 cards of the same suite, Alex would give one of those cards of the same suite to the audience member and place the other card at the top of the 4-card pile. This way Bill would know the suite of the missing card. This would narrow down the list of possible cards to 13. Now of the remaining 3 cards in the pile, we could assign variables L, M, H to each of them, signifying the lowest, middle, and highest card. This is possible if Alex and Bill agree to rank the cards in a pre-assumed order from 1 to 52 before performing the trick. The string LMH can be permuted in 3 factorial ways, which is 6 ways. Given low, medium, and high, we can encode a number between 1 and 6 as follows. This number can then be used to determine the number on the missing card. However, there are 12 possible candidates for the missing card. So, to narrow down, there is one more piece of information which can be deduced from the choice of card retained by Alex and the card that was given to the audience member. This brings us back to the hint number 2. If we arrange 13 numbers, the numbers of the suite, in a circle, we can place any 2 numbers such that we can move up in ascending order, from first number to the second number in at most 6 steps. So, the number corresponding to the order in which we place the other 3 cards, M, H, L, H, L, M, etc., will tell us how many steps to move up from the card retained by Alex to get to the missing 5th card. So, Alex would deliberately keep the card which is less than or equal to 6 steps away from the other card counting up. This way, he can communicate this number to Bill through the arrangement of the 3 remaining cards. What a sneaky way to do it! To explain this better, if the 2 cards of the same suite were 3 of diamonds and 7 of diamonds, Alex would keep 3 of diamonds and would give 7 of diamonds to the audience member. This is because when you count upwards, smaller distance between numbers 3 and 7 is 4, the larger being 9. So, the remaining 3 cards will be arranged in order MHL, which corresponds to number 4. When Bill examines this order of the 3 cards, he would know to move up by 4 positions starting from number 3, and he would then correctly guess the missing card is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, the missing card held by the audience member is 7 of diamonds. This is one of the most elegant ways of identifying the missing card in this given situation, although there are other solutions possible. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more related content.